Folks, how you all doing? Hope you're all doing well. We did outrun the rain. It's travelling that way, so by the time we got up here we'd outrun it, if that makes sense. But it's just started coming down again, so said that's it, we're going home. I thought it would have. See, it's not raining now. Well, the odd drop, but yeah. As you can see from the floor, rather dry. I think if we just keep heading, that's north, southwards, we'll be fine. So far south we have to go. I thought they'd close that Smithers Hall. That just shows, though, how slow the clouds are moving. Which is good. They weren't supposed to start doing this till about 4 o'clock. Which is annoying, it's only. Well, I know that clock's wrong. It's about 25 to 3. And the light's gonna stay on green. Happy days. Just made it through. See, perfectly dry. She was very, very bright red. Must have had a few. I've said it a million times and I'll say it again, I am in no way, shape or form a day drinker. I'm full up. That's what it said on that building, not me personally. That was Sanjay's arm then. This will be the first time after 2 weeks going out on the bike and bloody getting home. That's saying half a tank, but I checked it earlier. I bet that much fuel's gone out of it, about 1.5 inches. So. Yeah, it looks like storm clouds over that way. Like it's gearing up. Gearing up for a storm. Whatever that is, it smells bloody brilliant. Go, 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 what are you doing? This is crazy. Tell you what, sounds really quiet today, this bike. Oh, I don't think Sanjay got through the wind a bit. Oh, I can see him actually. There he is. Might go back to Sanjay's for a bit, methinks. Although, I've just felt rain again. Gonna bloody rain if you're not. No, look, it's pouring dry down here. Oh, dear me. Well, that's what I mean. I think it's coming this way, though. Hey, madness. Where's Andrew at home? Oh. Oh, let's get one. Wow. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh dear, I thought it was our turn. Eee. Can't believe how wet we got as well. Oh yeah! Machine! Bloody good! I think I knocked that then. Nearly wheeled! Where's that weather doing? That's definitely coming this way. Right folks, I'm going to end it here. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And as per usual, take care of yourselves and each other, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye now.